was it
for Mr. Callahan. You said in the beginning of your remarks that there's evidence.
Yeah,
There's evidence in all these cases that show that Mater Dei reported matters to the police and child protective services, and I'm just wondering what exact evidence you're referring to, because Mater Dei promised my parents 10 years ago that they would report my abuse to the appropriate authorities, and we found years after the fact that no such report had been made. And I just want the press to know that just because you're saying there's evidence, we found that there was no report made.
Ms. Gray, I think you had a press conference yesterday and had the opportunity to speak at that time. You're certainly welcome to say what you want now. The fact of the matter is that 2 of these cases don't even involve Mater Dei. And so this entire attack on Mater Dei makes for great publicity, but it's just not warranted.
Well, my case doesn't involve Mater Dei, and I want to know what you have to say about the evidence.
The bishop said that Monsignor needed some treatment. Bishop, could you tell us what was his physical treatment, psychological treatment?
All right. The question is, what sort of medical treatment is Monsignor Urel receiving? And I think that answer should be given, if at all, by Monsignor Urel's doctors and his lawyer. The law in California prohibits employers from giving out medical information about employees. We were castigated in the press by attempting to seal the deposition of Bishop Brown. And the truth of the matter is that Bishop Brown was asked questions about his employee's medical condition. He answered briefly, and answered the questions that were asked by the judge about that matter. And so I requested that deposition transcript be held under seal for 3 days until this judge could hear it and rule on it. And by that point in time, a plaintiff's counsel had already released the deposition testimony containing the confidential medical information of an employee to the press. So it became a moot issue. But what the other side doesn't justify our failure to follow the law. And the law requires any employer, bishop or car wash owner, to keep confidential medical information about their employees. And as you probably know, certain medical documents have been filed with the court already, and they're matters of court documents. But we're not going to comment on, number one, what we don't know about, number two, the medical information regarding an employee.